let's say you were asked to solve this quadratic using the quadratic formula. First, let's recognize the standard form of a quadratic. It is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay? And when it's in this format, you simply, let's just rewrite it. So if I have f of x equals x squared plus 5x minus 6, when they ask me to solve it, they want to know what is the value of x when y is 0. That's why the 0 is here. This 0 has taken the place of this f of x. All right? You may also see y equals x squared plus 5x minus 6, or you may see x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. They're all saying the same thing, okay? What is the value of x when y, or the function evaluated at x, equals 0? All right, so the first step is you're going to extract your a value, okay? What number is in the a position? So what number is in front of x squared? Okay, we don't see a number, but a is equal to 1. Okay, what number is in front of x squared? Your b value is the number that's in front of x. In this case, it is negative 5. And your c value is the number that sits here. Make sure that you include the sign. Our c value, remember the constant value that sits here, is negative 6. All right, so let's plug this information into the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is as follows. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Okay, let's plug in. So this is going to be equal to negative 5, okay? Negative b. All right? Plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 6. All divided by 2 times a, which in this case is 1. All we did was just plug in our stuff into the quadratic formula. Now let's simplify. I'm going to come over here. So a negative 5 is really going to be a positive 5, okay? Plus or minus the square root. Now, if you just type all of this into your calculator, it'll spit out the right answer. But I'm doing it by hand, so here we go. That'll be negative 5 squared is 25 plus 24, okay? And that's all over 2. And then that's going to become 5 plus or minus the square root of 49 all over 2. Okay, and then let's come here. We have 5 plus or minus 7 over 2. So that means that I have two answers. Either my answer is 5 plus 7 over 2 or 5 minus 7 over 2. So in this case, x is equal to, so we know that 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay? 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Well, let me write it. Kind of running out of room, but equals 12 over 2, which equals 6. And this is equal to negative 2 over 2, which equals negative 1. So, and this is so bootleg, sorry. X is equal to 6 or negative 1. Okay? This is our final answer.